Life in the world is simple. Why not enjoy through a good lifestyle? Let's give ourselves discipline in the world we live in. And I'm Bernardo. I just enjoy life properly. So I want to show you my lifestyle.
So guys, make a change and follow my routine.
So good morning my fellow slackers, it's currently 6 AM. Ayun, so makikita nyo naman na ready na ako for morning workout. And ngayon, sisimulan ko muna ang araw na to sa pag-check ng aking weighing scale habang wala pa ako nai-intake na water or food. So ano ang laman ng ating body every time na wala pa tayo nai-intake every morning? Siyempre, yung muscle mass at the same time, yung stored fats. So samahan nyo ako guys sa pag-check ng aking weight. Let's go!
And I checked my weight. It came out to be 137.5, which is normal for my BMI.
So hello guys, nakapag-intake na po ako ng 3 glasses of water para maging alert yung aking body in case of dehydration. So syempre kulang ang preparation kung hindi ko i-change yung aking outfit. Tingnan nyo naman yung aking transition in 3, 2, 1. Ayun! So makikita nyo naman, naka-running attire ako. So it means, cardio time tayo ngayon. Syempre, kulang din ang aking preparation kung wala tayong warm-up. So please join me doing my 5-minute stretching workout. So yun, naka-ready na yung aking shoes, naka-ready na yung lahat ng attire ko ready na.
Patay ka sa vlog ko, Gion. Ayan, this is my dog. He's currently 11 years old. For sure ka naman sa inyo nakakilala sa kanya, di ba? So yun, simulan na natin ang ating cardio exercise. So, for your information, ang tatakbuhin natin ay 5 kilometers from Pasig to Taytay. I have my smartwatch with me para matrack yung calories at the same time yung distance na tinakbuhan ko. So, ayun. Ready na ako. Pag-nantay natin. Let's go!
So ayun, what is the advantage of morning exercise? Siyempre, una sa lahat, yung vitamin D kasi it releases toxins sa katawan natin. Start ko yung smartwatch ko. So ayun, makikita naman natin ang presko sa paligid. Wala masyadong pollution dahil it's morning time. Wala masyadong sasakyan.
2,000 years later.
Nakahit na po tayo ng 1 kilometer. So meron pa tayong 4 kilometers. Kaya magtataka kayo, bakit 5 kilometers ang gusto kong takbuhin? Based by the doctors, ang pinaka-recommended na cardio range everyday ay 30 minutes. 5 kilometer run ay most likely natatapos siya by 30 minutes. Yung makapagsalda kasi nakakahingal siya.
Eventually,
Paano sumuulan? This is not a good thing. We're currently at 4.98, 4.99. Finally. And there you go. Ayun ang aking morning exercise. More on cardio kasi. After ng run ko, dinediretso ko muna sa meditation bago umuwi. So yun. So yun, tapos na yung meditation natin. Right now, it's time to go home.
So syempre, dahil katatapos lang natin sa isang aerobic exercise, we need to do another stretching. Pero iba naman to, through lambaras. So yun.
And after I do my lambaras, I went straight to my household chores, then I proceeded to my first shower.
So guys, after our break, it's time time for my first meal, no? It's a protein food called beef. So, at masasabi kong kulang ang breakfast natin pag hindi natin nilagyan ng 8 grams of protein egg. Start our first meal, guys. Let's go. So yun, nag-intake po ako ng 500 to 600 calories. And that's good enough to start my day on.
1 hour later.
So hello guys, it's currently 10:30 today. Kanina feel ko sarili ko na kumain ng first snack of the day, which consists of 20 calories, no? It's a carb food para kahit paano ma-maintain yung aking energy for the rest of the day. Ayun lang. Tamang aral lang tayo guys. So hello, I'm back. It's currently 12. No? Katatapos ko lang kasi mag-stocking. So for your information, by around 11 to 12, I usually do stocking. So here's one of my highlights for today. And now, kaunting pahinga lang, then lunchtime. It's my meal 2. So my food for today is like what I ate during breakfast. Beef and egg. It's actually good. So kain muna tayo. So syempre pag usapang recreation, iba yung ginagawa ko. Ang ginagawa ko, with stacking, I do stacking. At the same time, I do a TikTok live as well. Ayan, so makikita niyo naman yung views. It's around 300. Patagtag siya ng patagtag.
One hour later.
So, good day my fellow stackers. It's currently 4 o'clock. So, anong sabihin nun? Merienda time na tayo. So, makikita naman natin ang aking snack number 2, which includes walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds, which includes oatmeal with chia seeds and flax seeds. And alam naman natin, those are the biggest source of protein. So, kaya guys, kain tayo.
Then after my snack, I went straight to learning a new skill which is a part of discipline.
So ayun no, bago ako mag-strength training mamaya, ito muna yung warm-up ko. Tara, cycling muna tayo guys.
One hour later.
Guys, so katatapos ko lang sa cycling with the distance of 5 to 10 kilometers. So ngayon, nagpapawis na ako ng onte. Tara, let's go for the strength training. So guys, ngayon nasa treadmill naman ako. Katatapos ko na mag-strength training, kaya ako nagka-cardio ngayon para ma-relax yung muscle ko. Ayun. Tapos ko na rin yung 5-minute cardio. Slow down lang. Then, after this, it's time to do my final stretching exercise for today. So final 10 seconds and I will end my stretching exercise. So yun, after this, I will reveal to you my weight, kung nag-gain ba siya o nagbawas.
Then I checked my weight. I gained 5 pounds due to the use of muscle, water weight, and food intake.
See you later sa dinner time. guys, so kain tayo ngayon. This will be my very last meal for the day. This is 1.5 cup of rice. Okay, may kasama na rin itong gulay. Ilang kita rito dahil sa ilalim siya nakalagay. Para kahit papaano yung aking ginawang workout kanina ay ma-convert into muscle. So guys, kain tayo and see you later. So guys, I finished my last meal of the day. So later on, papakita ko naman sa inyo ang aking sleeping schedule.
2 hours later.
So, hello my fellow stackers. So, it's currently 10 o'clock. It's time for bed. That sums up my daily active lifestyle. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and also turn on the post notifications for it to be updated. And shout out to my MAPI teacher, Mr. Jan Daniel Geronimo. God bless po. So, for the intro, it's me, Bernardo Esquerral III. Stacker out.